back to Rock Natural. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an updated perm rod routine and try and get on blown out hair for the first time. Before we get started, if you haven't seen my video where I chopped my hair off, look at this. My hair was way down here past my boob. Now it's a little above my boob. I have not played in it or really focused on it at all, but I do have I kind of like it this length. Like, it's kind of a cute length right now, at least while it's blown out, but when it's curly, who knows what it's going to be like. So let's get started. Okay, I have a closet full of hair products, but I just picked a random one. I don't even know, we'll just see how this turns out. I'm going to be using my Moisture Me Style Curl and Style Milk by Lotta Body. I don't know if y'all remember when Lotta Body was a thing back in the day. I still use it, as you can see. So let's put this away up in a bun. I'm hoping this turns out how I want it to turn out. So I'm doing bigger sections with bigger rods. I have smaller rods than this, but I wanted to try with the bigger rods. So I'm using black and red. I'll probably use more black because it's a tad bit smaller, and the look I'm going for is a loose, wavy, curly look. I just haven't had the chance to really play with my new length hair, and so I'm just trying to weigh or extend the time that I have it blown out so it doesn't feel that short when I curl it. Like I said, if you haven't seen that video, you can go see how long my hair was in that video, and then this is the length it is now. So I'm just putting a little bit of this Lotta Body on there, get it a little moisturized. Okay, so this is style. It did say Style Milk. So for the perm rods, I like to wrap my ends around, and then I like to do a flipping method. With the bigger rods, you only get 1 or 2 flips in. Smaller rods, you would probably be flipping for a while. And even with my longer hair, I was flipping for a while. But the reason, I'm not going to go into details, but just go watch the video and it'll tell you all the juice, girl, all the juice. So I'm hoping this will just give me a really loose, wavy type curl that's cute, that I would get if I were using a curling iron. But I'm not going to do that because I already blown out my hair. And then putting more heat on it when I'm starting on this new journey is not ideal. So let's get it, let's go. Okay, back in the day, I used to do every style with perm rods, which is why I have a variety of sizes. So I even have one smaller than this, but these are the ones I'm going to use. I'm still going to take pretty big sections because of the style I'm going for. But this is actually, surprisingly, the first time I've ever done perm rods on my hair blown out. Can you all believe that? Like, usually when I do perm rods, I'm just doing it on my curly hair, and I get whatever result I get. So I usually know how that's going to turn out. But this right here is new. So I'm going to have to take little smaller sections, like this big. Make sure it has some style product on it. And I don't really care that this is a wet product on my blown out hair, because like I said, I'm going for a certain style, and I actually want the curls to hold, and the only way they're going to do that is if they have some type of styling product on them. So wrap around the ends, and then I like to twist up, and then roll at the top. But you know when you use perm rods for like a certain amount of time, the string on them gets a little stretchy, and then it doesn't hold as tight as you would think it would hold if it was a newer perm rod. The reason why I like to roll at the end is because I feel like it just feels secure to me, and I need that security.
Now is the energy.
So now I'm gonna not fall asleep. Not going to sleep yet, but I am going to go to sleep with these in my hair, wake up in the morning, leave them in, and then I'll show you all what it looks like in the morning, taking them down, how I style it, all of the above. Be sure to stay tuned. It is the next day now, and I'm taking down my perm rod set, and it's really, well, first I want to apologize for the terrible lighting. I was going to an event where I needed my ring light and I packed it up, and the light in my bathroom is so weird. Anyways, I was taking down my perm rod set / flexi rod set, and my hair was just not turning out how I expected. When I usually do a perm rod set, it's on curly hair, so I feel like my curls usually define, and this was just not what I expected. So I was taking the curls down, trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it. I wasn't sure. I was already running late, and so I know I just didn't want to wear it down. So I played around with it a little bit, up, down, try to do a style. But then I said forget about it, and I just decided to show y'all how it looked down. But then I ended up putting it in a half up, half down hairstyle, and it was like big wavy curls, and you'll see in these next couple of pictures. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Toodles!